Let's take a look at the software management portal in ThingSpace. To use the ThingSpace software management service, you will need licenses on your account. From the dashboard, click on the subscriptions link in the navigation bar to the left. Under the software management subscription, click on the down arrow to the right. Select the account to see the total subscription licenses available. If you need to purchase more photo licenses, you can do so in the My Business platform. Click on the Verizon apps icon at the top right of the page. Select My Business. You are now in the My Business platform. Click on the Shop link at the top of the page. Click on Software and Purchase Software and Solutions. Select IoT Software and Solutions. You will then be presented with two options, the Software Management Subscription or the ThingSpace Intelligence Bundle. Now that you have available licenses, let's create a software update campaign. From the ThingSpace Manage dashboard, click on the Software link in the navigation bar to the left. On the software page, you will see all available software updates for your devices. Software parameters include the software name, software make and model, the software from or current version, and the software to or update version. Let's discuss the current, from, and to versions. Current version is the actual current version of the device pre-campaign. It refers to the from version within the campaign itself. The to version will be the actual current version of the device post-campaign. To acquire more information about a software update, click on the software name. Here you can see the software details as well as those devices that are eligible for this update. When a new software update is available, ThingSpace requires you to run a pilot campaign of up to 20 devices. This will allow you to confirm that your updates were installed as expected by your devices. Metadata about the update is also provided in pilot campaigns under Campaign Summary. You can run as many pilot campaigns as you like. Once you run a pilot campaign with over a 50% success rate, the 20 device limit is lifted and the software is labeled Pilot Verified. Back on the software page, click on the software name. This will bring you to the software details page. Here you will find information including the from and to version, whether or not this software update is pilot verified, the release date including any release notes, and most importantly, those devices that are eligible including the make, model, and total number. To create a campaign, click on the software icon at the top right of the page, then click to create a campaign. You are provided with two options. If you click Continue with All, ThingSpace will create a campaign with all eligible devices that already have licenses assigned. Or you can filter for devices, as we will do so here. This will bring you to the Devices page and will automatically filter those devices that are eligible for this software update. Now that your license has been assigned, select those devices that you wish to upgrade. Then click on the software icon at the top right of the page. Choose Assign License. Finally, submit a license assignment for your device or devices. Please note, once you assign a license to a specific device, you cannot reuse that license with another device. However, you can reuse the license with its original device for as many campaigns as you like. Now, select those devices that you wish to upgrade. Then again, click on the software icon at the top right of the page, then click to create a campaign. Enter a name for your campaign. Choose a date range by specifying a start and end date. You can also select a time window. This will indicate when the devices can start the download and/or install the software update. Finally, click to create. Once you create a campaign, you can view its status. On the navigation bar to the left, click on Campaigns. Locate and click on your campaign name. Here, you can check the status at both the campaign and device level. Both the campaign and the device level are showing request pending. We are waiting to determine reachability before moving the campaign through the process. Once the campaign gets started and moves to a queued status, the devices have all been validated and are ready to be upgraded. Scheduled status means that all of the devices now have start dates to begin its software upgrade. Checking back a little later, we can see that 2 of the devices have successfully been upgraded while the other 2 are still waiting. Now we are seeing 3 device successful upgrades. Finally, we see that the campaign has ended, with 3 devices showing successful upgrades and 1 showing failed.